Rising Professionals welcomes you to Video Lectures in C. In our previous lecture, we discussed about decision and control making statements. In this lecture, we will be implementing those and will be making our program. Let's suppose our program is to print the position of the students. That is, first of all, we'll enter the marks of the student and then find where exactly he or she stands. Starting with our program, we'll first write our main function. So int main void in the brackets. For the body, we'll first of all use our curly braces. Now we will print the marks of the student. So printf enter marks. Semicolon. We also need to initialize our variable marks. So we'll write int marks. I want my marks to be an integer, so I've written int. If you want your marks to be in decimals, you can also take float. Next, we will input our marks. So scanf. Scanf is a command if you want to input anything. Its syntax is as follow. In the brackets, the format specifier, %t, comma, ampersand, that is the address of marks. Bracket close, and then semicolon in the end. I've entered the marks. Now I'll see where exactly the student stands. So I will make some conditions first and then apply my control statements. If my marks are greater than or equal to 70, I will come first. If marks are greater than or equal to 50 and they are less than 70, second. Marks greater than equal to 40 and less than 50, third. Else the student fails. So if marks are less than 40, fails. Conditions are ready. Now we need to apply them. We will use our else if ladder here because we have one if after the other. So we'll write if brackets marks greater than equal to 70 printf first. Else if marks greater than equal to 50 and marks less than 70, printf second. Else if marks greater than equal to 40 and marks less than 50, printf person comes third. Semicolon. Next we need not write any condition. We can only write else. So else printf fails. Our program is almost over now. I will teach you another way of writing the program, the same program. That is by using our switch statements. This will not be included in our program. I will just show you how it is written. So switch marks. You cannot consider your marks out of 100 here because obviously you cannot write 100 cases one after the other. So let me consider marks out of 10. So case 10 colon printf you are first, and then a break statement. Next case 9 colon printf you are second, break. I will not write all the cases. I'm sure you've already understood how the cases have to be written. I will just tell you how it works. First of all, when you write printf enter marks and then scanf percentage %t ampersand marks, you will enter your marks. So let's suppose I've entered 9. So it will straight away come to case 9 and it will print you are second. Break, it will again move forward. It will ask you again if you want to enter again. Enter marks. Suppose you have entered 7, it will print your fourth or whatever you have written in the printf statement. This is how your switch statements will work. Coming back to the first program, I will include the header file. So hash include stdio.h and in the end a return 0. My program is over now. I will go for compilation. 0 errors, 0 warning and 2 errors. Let me see what the errors are. Okay. One thing which you must have noticed that I've put a semicolon after the if statement or the else if statement, which is completely wrong. You cannot put a semicolon after the if statement or the else if statement. Okay, let's see if now any error comes or not. Compile. You can see 0 errors, 0 warnings. Run. We will run control enter marks. 57 second. I'm sure you must remember the conditions. You'd put that if your marks are greater than 50 and your marks are less than 70, you will come second. So here it is. I've put marks equal to 57. I've come second. That's all I have in this lecture. Thank you.